Still writing your child's name by hand on school items? Let's replace messy handwritten labels with clean professional ones in just a few minutes. These labels are perfect for bottles, lunchboxes, school bags, and more. And the best part, the add-on is completely free. Start by creating a new Google Sheet. Add your child's name and class information. Install the add-on directly into Google Sheets. Approve the Google permissions to continue. Now open AI Labeling from the Extensions menu. The label editor opens directly inside Google Sheets. Choose any custom label size for your printer. Customize the font size, alignment, and layout using drag and drop placeholders. When your design is ready, preview the label and generate a print-ready PDF. The PDF opens automatically in your browser. For thermal printers, open the System Print dialog and make sure the printer label size matches your custom label dimensions. And that's it. Clean custom school labels created directly from Google Sheets.